Once the feature was activated, you will find under the New button the option to import a PowerPoint. First, I have to select the file. I will be guided through the process here step by step. I can always switch back and forth in the process and change some settings if I want to. But please do not close the tab or the app during the process, otherwise it will be stopped. Now I have to choose a file. It will be quickly checked. Only pptx is valid. So I click on next. And now I have a preview, so I can select which slides I want to import. So I can select all, none, I can type in specific ones, or I can just choose them in here, which ones I want to import. Then I click next. I have to assign the fonts in the next step. So each font that was found in PowerPoint has to be assigned to a already available font in presono. So it must be uploaded up front. And then I have the next step is the preview. Within here, we do already have the preview of our slides in the correct with the correct font. So I can always go back and change the font, for example, right here, and the preview will be updated as you can see here. The next step would be the location selection. So for the presentation, the slides, the template set, and the media files that will be created during the upload, I have to choose a workspace and at least one category. So where to save it in presono. Next would be also and here also you can choose the language in which your slides will be created. So, and then actually we're done already, so we can start the creation. And now 10 media files will be uploaded to presono. The templates will be created, slides will be created, and the presentation will be created. So please do not stop the process or like close the tab during that. So right after that, you can go either to the presentation, now we're done, or import another file. If we go back to the presentation, we can see now we have a presentation with 4 slides. The previews will be generated in a second, and this will be the result. So in here you have your content, you have your media files, everything is editable. From now on, there are basically 2 strategies. Either you can use your contents. So for example, the contents in the slide is like the text or the text and media files, and use them for already existing template sets. So exchange for a layout that already was created in presono. So you can here now insert your content and maybe add an image or anything like that. So just choose an image in presono and use your contents basically. So all the regular options are available, and that's it. This is like the first strategy. The second strategy is to use like the single elements that were created. So in my workspace, there is now the presentation, there are the slides, there are the media files, and there is the template set. So you can also use those single files. So for example, media files, you can just rename, use the media description or anything like that. Just the regular options are available. It's a completely normal media file. And you can also use your template set. So there is one empty background and 4 layouts, one for each slide. And you can use this as a regular one. So you can edit it, you can delete some areas or like sections, you can change the permissions for the sections and use your template set. So for use the created slides and templates for further use in this way. So that's what you can do with your PowerPoint import. Please find some details in the article below.